Ngibingelele ngikwamukele lena ke Medicate TV igama lami nguTshepo Ngamsimango kanti ke loyo ke engumqeqeshi weKaizer Chiefs uMr Ernest Middendorp sekubeke kwacaca ke ukuthi ke emidlalweni olandelayo la eKaizer Chiefs zodlala khona ke neRoyal Eagles abadlali bakhe ababili uAnthony Akamu kanye noKhama Billiat bazobe bekhona kulowo mdlalo loyo. Kanti ke uthe uma ebuzwa ngaloko kwenzeka ngonyaka odlule la eKaizer Chiefs yahlula khona ngo-1-0 umdlalo wamanqamu yiTX Galaxy akathandanga ke umqeqeshi weKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ke aphawule kuloko kodwa ke akushilo uthe yena imidlalo yonke uyithatha ngokufana futhi uyithatha ngokulingana amaqembu wonke ewahlonipha ngokulingana noma ngabe iqembu lidlala ku-PSL noma lidlala ku-NFD kuye uwanikeza inhlonipho efanayo.
What happened on the 18th of May, it happens. It's history. It's forget about this. We started a new season and there's a new round coming in. As I said, we respect each and everybody. If it's a PSL team or if it is an NFD team.